Welcome to my presentation on reducing mean travel times in the city of Orlando, Florida. I am Tyan, a urban planning and geography student. Orlando started as a citrus farming community, which began to turn lucrative and brought a rail line into the area to export its products. The creation of the highway allowed the opening of land, which spurred urban sprawl early in the city's history. The creation of large theme parks on the area's cheap land really shaped the history's development and brought in a lot of the current residents. For my proposal to reduce mean travel time in the area, I begin with the creation of high-quality neighborhoods. I believe the infilling of underdeveloped land, the locating of dated neighborhoods, creating land banks with those dated neighborhoods, and also identifying inefficiently used land is going to be crucial in reducing the sprawl and creating density that is not currently present. Once these high quality neighborhoods have been identified, I believe creating boulevards that are really well defined and allow quick connections in between these neighborhoods. This will allow better traffic flow, but it also allow a sense of location and place, which will keep people more grounded within those nodes of the city. And then again, just creating corridors between these nodes in order to have a better flow within the city. This has been successful in the city of Seattle, where I currently live. We see the identification of several neighborhoods. Each neighborhood is well known for certain traits, certain feelings. They also have a different set of amenities, so they are attractive to different sorts of people, whether they be students, professionals, active people, retired communities. And then all these neighborhoods are connected with a variety of transportation options. You have the light rail, buses, water taxis. The cities are very walkable, and so you can rely on mass transit options. The second thing I think that would help reduce mean travel time is to focus on smart growth. Pictured here is another example in Florida, which is Seaside, Florida. But really focusing on high quality architecture and planning, again to create that sense of place and unique identity within a geographical realm is key. And then building for longevity so that you don't have to continuously redevelop, fall into disrepair. And then smart growth is really key because it focuses on mixed land use and mixed zoning, so you get a diverse group of people, as well as providing equitable solutions to the city's housing crisis. We see this is very successful in Denver, which similarly to Orlando has a number of brown sites and Superfund sites. So currently Denver is using those brown sites as a place of smart growth and cautious development. Pictured here is a brown site that is being currently converted into a mixed use neighborhood. With this, in the master plan, Denver's master plan, it calls for smart growth, which I believe is key, making it a goal to develop like that for the future. Lastly, I believe connecting the region using mass transit is key. Currently, Orlando does not have a robust transportation option. They are a very automobile dominated city. Pictured here is the bus network, and you can see how expansive it is. Orlando is a very large city, and with the theme parks, the use of buses are prevalent in moving around people. However, the reliance on fossil fuel for mass transit needs to be phased out slowly. So through the use of light rail, which feasibility studies have shown how necessary this is in Orlando. Also the use of heavy rail. While there is one major line going through the city connecting it with other Florida cities, it is not paramount to the city's success. So by using advertising campaigns and other economic instruments to really encourage the use of heavy rail. Due to the tourist industry, Orlando has a significant amount of international airports and other regional airports, but connecting these the airports with mass transit, so the reliance on automobiles can continue to decrease. Lastly, metro, I don't believe is feasible for the area due to the limestone and swamp nature of Florida's geography. Thank you so much for watching.